Hey guys, it's Wolf. I'm just going to show you for the millionth time without me dropping the camera and making it turn off that my headphone jack works. Except I couldn't get it to fit inside the PSP. I mean, not the PSP, the SP. Because I wasn't gonna, because for some reason I didn't cut the hole right. But I got it wired up to this PS1 screen headphone jack, and I'll make a pinout for it later. And right now I'm just gonna plug it in, and I was gonna have it on this big speaker right here, but for some reason it didn't wanna work. But yeah, let's see if it works now. Let's turn on the SP. I just have to hold the battery there. For some reason it doesn't like that speaker. But when I plug it in this one, I'm going to have to move the camera over here to this speaker. For some reason it works. But I can't show you how loud that is. I mean, I can't even tell if you can hear it, so I can't prove anything. But I'm going to try and, I hope you can hear it. Let me just, let me just check something. 2 speakers, it just goes to the stupid speakers. And I tried plugging in here, as I told you, but it didn't want to work. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I've spent 2 hours looking at that right there, trying to get it and testing which one is which for you is, which you're probably glad, because by the time you're gonna try this, I would have made a pin out of that already. But it's just, it hurts a lot to stare at something for that long. I can't imagine RCP wiring an N64. I mean, for some reason, a lot of the pins right here got connected and the game still boots. I don't know why, but it just did. But anyway, that's the, wait, let me see if I can get another set of speakers that will. Okay, these probably aren't, here, let me turn on the SP without the, see the volume's all the way up right here, all the way up, and let me turn on the PSP without the headphone thingy in there. You can't hear anything because the speaker doesn't want to work. But when I plug in this, and I don't know where the mic is on this camera, but plug it in. Turn it on. I'm just randomly waving around the headphone around this camera so that maybe you would have been able to hear it. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed my broken SP, and I'll post a pinout of the thing later when I make it. I just wish I didn't have to destroy my SP to do it, but, you know, oh well. See you on the forum.